Hey everyone, on this week's Mondays with Megan, I have another great iPhone tech tip for you guys. So with the leaves changing, some of you may be doing some hiking, getting outdoors more. If you ever find yourself in a scenario where you don't know which way is north, you actually have a compass built in right to your iPhone. Simply go over to App Library and then search for compass, and it's built into your iPhone. From there, you can simply move to find the red arrow that's pointing true north, and you'll be able to figure out what direction you need to go. Hopefully you're not getting lost on hikes, whatever the case may be. I just wanted everyone to know that you do have a great compass built right into your iPhone. Have a great week, everyone, and as always, for more tech tips, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel, and as always, feel free to reach out to me directly at megan@easyit.com. Have a great week, everyone.